Any other question?
या सेकंड ये था कि आज जो ये इवेंट है, तो आप जो आप क्या ये मान रही हैं कि ज्वेलरी का जो फिक्सेशन है वो गोल्ड से सिल्वर की तरफ कितना जा रहा है आपके हिसाब से लोगों में?
सबसे पहली बात तो स्टर्लिंग सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एसोसिएशन ने जो आज का ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, आई थिंक टू uphold silver jewelry. In fact, I think silver has its own charm, but not as well promoted as gold and diamond. तो ये जो एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है उन्होंने इस रैम्प वॉक के ज़रिए, इस इवेंट के ज़रिए, जिसकी मैं शो स्टॉपर बनी हूँ, आई फील वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड बिकॉज आई थिंक सिल्वर has its own place, you know, along with gold and diamond. You cannot compare either of them. And I love silver, so look at this beautiful silver set that I adorn today. और मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत महसूस हो रहा है इसमें.
And tell us something about your jewelry fixation.
Well, of course, I love jewelry. I'm a typical girl who's loved wearing jewelry since my childhood. So I was one of those girls who, you know, would always sneak into my mother's treasure box and want to play with the jewels, and I've had my share of that fun. I love metal. I love metal with stone. So, you know, I mean, I never thought that silver could actually accentuate diamond like it is on my beautiful jewelry set today. But yeah, my fixation for jewelry has always been since childhood.
And कोई आपका ऐसा मेमोरी जो आपको पहले सबसे पहला आपको ज्वेलरी गिफ्ट क्या मिला था और किससे मिला था?
सबसे पहले ज्वेलरी गिफ्ट मुझे मेरे मॉम ने दिया था.
वो क्या था?
It was this heart-shaped pendant which had some kind of light coming from it. It was a rage then, and I was completely nuts over it. And I remember when she gifted that to me, I was like jumping sky high with excitement. So I will never forget that. I mean, I think there are special moments that are associated with jewelry to every girl, and that was definitely one of them.
And tell us something about today's ramp walk excitement.
Yes, I am very excited. I'm excited to promote silver jewelry on the ramp for the very first time. I doubt this has happened before with a Bollywood actress. Not that I have taken notice of, but in the past I've always promoted gold or diamond, of course, but never silver. So when Sterling Silver Jewelry Association got in touch with me, and of course offered me to be their showstopper, I was overwhelmed. I was very intrigued of how they are going to pull this along. But after seeing their collection, after seeing the entire range before I selected this piece, I was convinced that silver is, I mean, you can't take silver for granted for sure.
आपने बॉलीवुड का किया, आप अपने कुछ फीचर फिजिक्स के बारे में डिटेल शेयर करेंगे?
ओके, मैं इतना ही हिंट दे सकती हूँ कि मैं एक ऐसे निर्देशक के साथ काम करूँगी जिनके साथ मैंने रिसेंटली काम किया था. इसके अलावा मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती. I would rather prefer the director and the producer to make the announcement.
कुछ तो एक्सक्लूसिव डिटेल दीजिए.
I'm not allowed to. Actually, आजकल ऐसा है बॉलीवुड में, you know, you have to sign this non-disclosure clause agreement, NDA as it's called. So we're not allowed to talk much.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस आ रहा है, आपकी नज़रों में फ्रीडम की क्या मतलब?
आई थिंक मेरे मायने में फ्रीडम, स्वतंत्रता ये है कि हमें इस आज़ादी को we should not take it for granted, which I think we are today. क्योंकि हमारे forefathers ने, और actually मैं सिर्फ हमारे नहीं कह रही हूँ, actually मेरे family में मेरे grandfather, मेरे great grandfather, they have they were at a point in their life where they had to leave their businesses and fight for the country, and they have gone to jail and succumbed under the British torture for supporting the freedom movement and all of that. So I know how tough it was then. They were the real heroes. अभी मैंने सत्याग्रह फिल्म में काम की, तभी मुझे एहसास हुआ कि ये तो बस फिल्म है. जब अन्ना हज़ारे मूवमेंट हुआ था तो हम पुलिस प्रोटेक्शन के साथ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, पर जो उन्होंने किया, जिस भारत को आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए जो उन्होंने किया, हम सोच नहीं सकते. पर मुझे लग रहा है कि हम उसको भूल चुके हैं. उसका वी जस्ट टेकिंग दैट फ्रीडम फॉर ग्रांटेड. So this is me, Amrita Rao, wishing that आप सब हमारे स्वतंत्र भारत की स्वतंत्रता को don't take it for granted, इसकी इज्जत करो, और let's make India a better place to live in. जय हिंद.
Thank you.
Thank you. We done?
Yeah, thank you.